Hello dearies, welcome back to my channel. This is In Conversation with Zoe. Today we are going to be having a heart-to-heart conversation, and here's what I'm talking about. I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on how to spot a bad friend, or should I say an unfriendly friend, and you should actually stay away from them. Number one, they do not like to talk about your successes. They don't want to be part of it. They don't want to celebrate your successes. You tell them about it, but they like congratulations. They celebrate you like people who don't even know you do. Number two, even when they celebrate you, they would scold you or still pick holes in your new fit, your new success, your new goal, your new heights. They will always scold you much more than they celebrate you. Number three, they lie. Yes, I've been in classes, I've been in circles where, girl, I know your scores. I know your results, but then you still look me in the eye and you lied to me that you scored a 56, whereas you got a 36. I would tell you if I did well in a subject or not. That's just an example. So if your friends constantly lie to you about their situation or their successes, maybe their relationship, maybe they tell you they've broken up, but you still see them hanging out with that person, red flag. That's not a true friend. Why won't you open up to me? Friendship, in my layman's term and definition, is sharing and caring. Two words, like sound really. No, okay. So my third point, pointed to how you can spot an unfriendly friend, is they befriend your enemies, or they befriend those that don't like you. They befriend your trolls. They befriend those that you don't roll with. Like, they're like, girl, that's a red flag. Boy, that's a red flag. I'm not in support of, cutting off people totally because they are not someone's friend. But if you know a reason why someone is maybe upset with somebody, and then you still go ahead to have a drink with that person, like that person's pictures, I'm just saying, especially when they are not your friends directly, that person is just evil. I'm sorry, I'm just saying, that's being evil, okay? So another way by which you can spot a friend that doesn't like you, they don't know what is happening in your life. Like, whenever they call you or whenever you guys are talking, they just talk about their successes, they just talk about themselves, yada yada yada. That's all they do. Like, hello. And then my final point as to how you can spot a person who does not like you is your family doesn't like them. Now, that's the biggest red flag ever. Remember that Justin Bieber song that says, my mama doesn't like you? I can't remember the song, verbatim, but it goes somehow like that. So if your family does not like a friend of yours, honey, like, which other approval do you want? What other message? You need a priest to tell you that person is not good for you? You need to run away from that person, all right? So those are my 7 tips and pointers or red flags to how you can spot an unfriendly friend. And it will do you good to avoid them or just let them be, okay? Except they come around, change, and so on and so forth. God bless you for watching. I'll see you next time on In Conversation with Zoe. Till then, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Zoe Chinaka.